Good morning class, this is your science period. We were doing chapter number 1, human circulatory system. In our earlier periods we have done the reading of this chapter. I hope you also read this chapter yourself. Children, reading is very must. You should all know how to read, okay? Now before starting this chapter, you can see here there is a small warm-up exercise given. This exercise you will do it yourself. Can you see this diagram? In this you have to label the parts, okay? So do it yourself, and if you have got any problem you can ask me. Now today I am going to explain this chapter to you all. Please take a pencil in your hands. While you are watching this video, you should have a pencil in your hands and the book in front of you, okay? The heart is an important organ of our body. Children, important means main, necessary. The heart is an important organ of our body. It pumps blood. Pumps means it sends blood, okay, which is circulated throughout our body by the blood vessels. Now circulated, flow, okay, flow throughout, all over, everywhere in our body by the blood vessels. Vessels means, children, container which contains something, okay? So blood vessels, the containers which contains blood, okay? Again I will repeat it for you. The heart is an important organ, means main organ of our body. It pumps blood, it sends blood which is circulated throughout our body by the blood vessels, which flows in our body everywhere with the help of what? By the help of blood vessels. Now children, let us discuss about the circulatory system in details. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is responsible for transportation of oxygen. Transportation means, children, to carry, to move something, to take from one place to another. Now this circulatory system is responsible for carrying of oxygen, nutrients, water and metabolic waste in our body. Now what do you mean by nutrients, children? Nutrient means the substances, the ingredients which promotes your growth, which provides you energy, okay children? That are your nutrients. Water and metabolic waste. Now what is this metabolic, children? This metabolic is a word which we derive from metabolism. Now what do you mean by metabolism, children? Metabolism means changing of food into energy, chemical reactions in which takes place in body cells. Our body is made up of small cells, children, and these cells together form tissues, and these tissues forms organs. Now that's a big story, okay? You understand this thing. Metabolism is a chemical reaction, children, which changes your food into what? Energy. Whatever you eat, children, it changes into energy. Now that is your metabolism. And after getting the important things from the food, it creates waste also. Okay, now this is waste. Whatever you eat, na children, some things are very important and they take the important part from that and leaves the waste part. So again let me read it for you. So metabolic waste are those wastes. That is clear to you now. The circulatory system is responsible for carrying, transportation of oxygen, nutrients, water and metabolic waste in our body. It is an organ system which circulates blood through a network. A complete web is there of blood vessels. Now blood vessels, there is a web of blood vessels. है ना? Now following, let me clear it one more time, children. It is an organ system. It is a system, okay, which circulates, which flows the blood through a network of blood vessels, which makes the blood flow with the help of what, children? Blood vessels. And there is a network, a web of blood vessels. Now following are some functions of circulatory system. Now these are the functions. First, it transports nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. It carries nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Clear? It regulates the body temperature. Adjust. Regulates means to adjust, to control, children. It controls the body temperature. You can say it adjusts the body temperature. It transports transports waste products to the excretory organs for removal from the body. Excretory organs, these are the organs, children, which removes unnecessary material which your body does not need, na kuda. Okay, so they remove it from your body. So this system transports waste products to these organs, excretory organs. Then it protects the body from infections and germs. It also keep your body safe. Protects means it keeps your body safe from infections, from diseases and from germs. It helps in blood clotting and prevents excessive blood loss in case of an injury. It helps in blood clotting and prevents excessive blood loss. Excessive means, children, more than normal, more extra, है ना? So it helps in blood clotting and stops the excessive blood loss in case of an injury. When there is an injury, na, so it stops the it stops the excessive blood loss. Now we will read further in our next video. I hope this much is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.